Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to keep magnification on while we are switching apps in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this setting and how to enable it. First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu, and here is magnification. So we can open this option here, and here we have keep on while switching apps function. So what does this option do? We have a very short explanation here. Magnifier stays on and zooms out when you switch apps. So we can turn this option on. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options nor menus there. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.